Hey everybody, Justin Hunt here from Hands Auto, and I'm here today with Rick from Hands On Outreach Development Center and Hands Auto's General Manager Derek McLeod. And we're here to do a check presentation for the Hands Auto modified Tundra full of toys to drive cash donations for Hands On during this year of uncertainty. So with your massive support, thank you so much, we were able to raise nearly $10,000, which well exceeded our goal of $2,000 plus here. Hands Auto additional top up of an additional $2,000. So what we decided to do today is extend our donation to $3,000 on top of the nearly $10,000 that was donated by you, our client base. So without further ado, we're going to make that check presentation now.
Rick, thanks again for all your support. Hands On was very proud once again to be involved. Obviously an exceptional year, but we've proven to do exceptional things. So on behalf of Hands On, thank you again for everything you do.
Thank you very much. It's a miracle for our children. Blessings.
That's great. Take care, guys. Happy holidays. Merry
Thank you.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.